Hey guys, welcome back for another episode on DCTC. This is Amy Jo. Are you ready to open some surprise eggs? Here we go. We have all kinds of different surprise eggs, including Thomas the Train eggs that we have never opened before, but I am going to start with Spider-Man. We'll see what we've got. Okay, so it's a little Spider-Man character, so let's put him together. Here are all of the different options. And it looks like we got this guy right here. So let's put him, whoa, I keep dropping him. We'll get him standing up here in the base. So there are his legs, and here is his body. So there is our Spidey. Whoops. Good gracious. Come on, Spider-Man. Next, I'm gonna open this Hello Kitty egg. And we have several different Hello Kitty eggs, but we have never opened a Hello Kitty egg like this. And look, it's already all smashed. Well, I have no idea what kind of surprises come inside. Ooh. That is cool. That looks like a little cell phone charm. So that has a little Hello Kitty in it, and it says Hello Kitty on the back. And here are all of the different things that we can get in these Hello Kitty eggs. So all different kinds of charms. And this is the one that we got, right there. Next, we'll open this Dora and Diego egg and see what's inside of it. I got Linda the llama the last time I opened one of these, so I'm hoping it's something other than that. And it is! It's Boots! Look at his little tail has to snap in. There's Boots! There is a closer look at Boots. I think Rex wants us to open this Toy Story egg next. I've never opened a Toy Story egg, so I have no idea what we could get in these, but I'm very excited. Ah! You know who that is? He's missing an arm, but that is Buzz Lightyear. He doesn't come with a helmet, but we could put this on him. I am Buzz Lightyear. There he is. And let's take a look and see. Whoa, there are lots of different options for things that you can get for these. I think we got lucky. We got a really cool Buzz Lightyear, the very first one that we opened. And we have one more Toy Story egg that we're going to open so we can check this out. There, we can lift his arm up. He could say, to infinity and beyond. Oh, it looks like Rex is giving Buzz a ride home. Let's see what's inside this Play-Doh egg with this smiley face. Ooh, a Cars surprise egg. Oh no, I should know the name of this and I don't. Maybe it'll tell me and I'll get lucky. No, it has the stickers. And here are all of the different cars that you can get. And there is our little Cars car with all his stickers on. And I'm gonna guess and say I think that this is Raul. Next up, Donald Duck egg. Oh boy. Not sure who this character is. Oh no. You guys are just gonna have to tell me. I'm not even gonna be able to guess. Okay, let me know in the comments. And here are all of the different characters that we could have gotten in that egg. That's the little dude we got right there. Next, we have a surprise egg, and this is Disney Planes. And I've never opened a Disney Planes egg either, so we have lots of different types of eggs that we have never opened before. Woo! Some of these are so hard to get open. And this looks like one of the ones that we're gonna have to build. And I can tell from the color of it that this is the character that we got. And this is Franz. So let me get his pieces and we'll put him together. All right, well, I put the little stickers on Franz's wheels and now we can put him together. There we go, and we got a prop in our egg, but I don't know where that goes. Maybe right on the end there. It doesn't go in the front. It doesn't show him with a propeller, so it could just be a mistake. But it might snap in there. Okay, there is Franz. Next, we'll do Despicable Me. We've opened a few of these and they are really cute. They have really cute characters inside. Okay, so let's see. I don't know which character this is. Probably Dave. Here are all the different characters that you can get in this egg. Oh, and it says we got Tim. Hello, Tim. Bana. Next up, a Kinder Surprise egg. Oh wow, I have opened lots of Kinder Surprise eggs and I don't think I've ever opened anything like this. It looks like maybe it's a kite or something. Let's take a look. Looks like something that you throw around in the air. Okay, so we take this purple and green apart and then snap the cloth through it. And then it launches and flies through the air. Let's try that again. Oh, I took poor Tim out. Woo! Pretty cool. I think I'm gonna open this red Play-Doh egg with a white heart on it. Oh! And inside is a Despicable Me egg. So we'll see who we get this time. Hopefully it won't be Tim again. Ah! That one was really messy. It's definitely not Tim. It is Agnes. And Agnes is one of my favorite characters from Despicable Me. There she is. And again, here are all of the different characters that you can get. That one's really cute. It'd be fun to get that. Well, we might as well see what's in this Play-Doh egg. Oh, it's James. All right. Can't wait to see what's in this. Oh, wow. These are so cool. And you know what? We got these because one of our subscribers asked us to do Thomas the Train. She said that her little boy absolutely adored Thomas and asked us to do some. So we ordered some and look who we got. See, we have to snap his little face in. Do you guys know who that is? It's Mavis. How cool is that? Love it. All right, on to another Hello Kitty egg. And we know it's another charm, but which one did we get? Aww, Hello Kitty is a little doctor. She's taking care of her teddy bear. Let's see if we can get this Thomas the Tank Engine egg down here. Oh no! I want to try that again. It might not work. Yay, it did! All right, well, I'm looking forward to opening this. Oh boy! You know who that is. Do 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 do. It's Thomas. Time for another Toy Story egg. Oh my goodness, can you believe it? Another Buzz Lightyear. I am Buzz Lightyear. No, I'm Buzz Lightyear. No, I'm Buzz Lightyear. All right, we're getting close to the end now. Let me roll this big Play-Doh egg right here, and we'll see what's inside. It's another Thomas the Train egg. This one has Percy on the front. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, that egg was totally smashed. Oh, wow. Oh, I can't remember his name. Oh, Harold. Yes, we got Harold. Okay, the Thomas eggs are awesome. These are so cool. How cute. Let's take another look really quick to see all of the different characters. And we have a lot more Thomas eggs, so hope we get several more of these. All right, well, I'm gonna grab this Dora egg. Wow, I thought that might happen. So we got Boots earlier. I wonder who we'll get this time. Maybe we'll get Swiper. Or Dora. Oh, I saw feet. Boy, these are tough to open. We got Dora. Okay, well that kind of makes up for getting 2 Buzz Lightyears. Oh, maybe that doesn't fit. Maybe she just carries her backpack. Let's take a look. So here are all of the different characters. No, it does show that you press Dora's backpack onto her back. So let's give it another try. And there is a closer look at Dora. Okay, we'll do our last Kinder Egg. And then we have one more Hello Kitty after this. Oh wow, this looks like something cool to build. Is it a race car? It is a race car. So we have to snap it together, press this down, and then we just have to put on some stickers. Woo, these are little. Pretty cool looking race car, isn't it? And I guess I saved my favorite for last. I usually really love the Hello Kitty eggs. These are cute, but this video, it's gonna be Thomas that are gonna be my favorite. All right, here's another charm, and oh boy, that's pretty cute. That's Hello Kitty dressed up like a ladybug. I love that. So we got 3 different Hello Kitty charms, so that was great. All right, that's all we have for this video. What do you guys think? I want to know who your favorite was, so make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know. I told you I think usually I love the Hello Kitty stuff, but today I really love the Thomas stuff. And make sure that you click on the like button if you want to see more videos like this, okay? For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. And if you haven't done so, we hope that you will join our club by subscribing. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.